This lesson is about the coordinate system of a Java window and how the coordinate system is used to place items in the window. Take a look at this class. All it does is display a simple black box in the center of the window. Now this is very much like the program that we looked at earlier, except this one has a rectangular shape instead of a square. When you run this program, it looks like this. I've already compiled everything, so you don't have to watch me type so much. Now this corner right up here is the origin. That means that the pixel here in the upper left-hand corner is the one with its coordinate values x and y both set to 0. As you move to the right, the value of x increases, and as you move down from the top, the value of y increases. Now the pixel value here in the lower right corner is the one that has the x value equal to the width of the window and a y value equal to the height of the window. All distances and all sizes in a Java window are measured in terms of a number of pixels. The only exception to this is text, and it's measured with a special set of units all its own. I'll have more to say about fonts later. Now all objects are drawn in a window with their upper left-hand corners placed in relationship to the origin. In this example, the x position of the rectangle is 75. That is, it's 75 pixels from the left edge of the window. The y value is 50. That means the top of the rectangle is 50 pixels down from the top of the window. The other two values are height and width. The block is 250 pixels wide, which means it extends 250 pixels to the right of its upper left-hand corner. It's 100 pixels high, which means it extends 100 pixels downward from its top. Everything except text is positioned just this way, by its upper left-hand corner. Take a look at this one. Now this is the same as the block in the previous example, but the call to fill rect has been replaced with a call to fill oval, but the sizes and positions are all the same. Ovals are drawn by specifying the dimensions of a rectangle and asking the graphics object to fit an oval into it. The upper left-hand corner of the oval is right about here, but it doesn't show up as part of the actual shape, but that's only because this shape doesn't have any corners. Well, that's about the shape of things. Oh, by the way, it's perfectly all right to draw and paint stuff outside of the window. That is, the x and y values can be negative, and that's okay, or they can be greater than the height and width of the window, and that's okay. Java has a very efficient clipping algorithm to trim these things off so nothing happens, and it's often cheaper and quicker just to go ahead and draw stuff that will never show up than it is to figure out which parts will be inside and which parts will be outside of a window. Just go ahead and draw it. Let Java figure it out.